students, this is your physics class. This is new unit of electric device. In this chapter, we discuss about conductor, insulator, semiconductor. Most of the part or portion of the chapter discuss only semiconductor. First, difference between conductor, semiconductor, insulator with the help of Venn diagram. So this is Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, three bands are situated. First is conduction band, above portion. In between these two bands, forbidden band, and last is valence band. Insulator is the type of this diagram. जो इंसुलेटर होगा वो हमारा इस डायग्राम को फॉलो करेगा. बैलेंस बैंड, व्हाट इज बैलेंस बैंड? बैलेंस बैंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन दिस बैंड. जो बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे वो हमारे बैलेंस बैंड में प्रेजेंट होंगे. इन द कंडक्शन बैंड फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन आर प्रेजेंट इन कंडक्शन बैंड. फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन और चार्ज कैरियर बैंड, चार्ज कैरियर इलेक्ट्रॉन are situated in conduction band. Forbidden energy gap, energy difference between the conduction band and valence band. So this is the size of 6 eV, 6 electron volt. Insulator points, some important points are represented to insulator. First, valence band is completely filled. Valence band is completely filled with free electron or charge carrier. Conduction band is completely empty or partially filled. Conduction band, there is no electron, there is no charge carrier electron are present in conduction band. Forbidden energy gap approximate 6 eV. कि जो फॉरवर्ड बैंड होगा हमारा वो 6 eV के गैप के इक्वल होगा. इन इंसुलेटर द बैलेंस बैंड इज कंप्लीटली फिल्ड विथ इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड कंडक्शन बैंड एंड बोथ द बैंड इज separated by a forbidden band. These two bands are separated by a forbidden band. Means in between these two bands are forbidden band situated. So this is the discussion of insulator. Next, conductor, semiconductor we discussed earlier. Students, our second topic is conductor, third is semiconductor. First we discuss about conductor according to band theory. We discuss about conduction band, valence band. Valence band are those bands where the electron is balanced, and conduction band. The conduction band is band where the electron are replaced or displaced by the valence band to conducting property, for conducting property of conductor. कंडक्टर की जो कंडक्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी होगी उसकी वजह से ये काम हुआ होगा. सो डिस्कस कंडक्टर करते हैं यहाँ पे. कंडक्शन बैंड, बैलेंस बैंड. इन दिस बैंड द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज बैलेंस्ड, then the electron is excited, so the electron reach to a conduction band. In this band or this property of conductor, the conduction band and valence band, in between the band, third band is situated. Which band? Forbidden band. Here the forbidden band is left out, means यहाँ पे जो forbidden band है वो हमारा यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, because the energy gap we know that forbidden band is a energy gap band. So energy gap band is 0, that's why forbidden band is absence. So absence of forbidden band, the electron is easily reached to a conduction band. So electron जो है वो easily conduction band में पहुंच जाएगा और ये conducting property show करेगा. First, valence band is completely empty or valence band is completely empty because the all electrons is reached to a conduction band, कि जब सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन थे वो कहाँ पहुंच गए, कंडक्शन बैंड में. पार्शली फिल्ड. फॉरबिडन एनर्जी गैप इज 0 और एब्सेंट. कंडक्शन बैंड इज कंप्लीटली फिल्ड. कंडक्शन band and valence band are overlap each other. In this way, the forbidden band is absent, so the conduction band and valence band are overlap to each other. This is the description. A solid in which valence band and conduction band overlap is known as metal or conductor. Conductivity of conductor is very high, so conductor is very good conductor. And in other case, the resistivity is high, the resistivity of the conductor, so conductor is bad conductor. Semiconductor, according to Venn diagram theory, semiconductor, conduction band, forbidden band, valence band, all three bands are present, because in earlier case the semiconductor is property same as to the conductor, same as to the insulator. So in this case the forbidden energy gap is minimum. We know that 6 eV is the energy gap or forbidden energy gap in the insulator. So here energy gap 1 eV, approx 1 eV. So this is minimum value to reach the electron conduction band. So in this case valence band electron or hole easily reach to conduction band. So the metal is carrying electron or charge. So the conductor is the semiconductor is make a conductor. In this case conduction band is partially filled, valence band is completely filled. Valence band already completely filled था. Insulator, semiconductor और conductor, all three metals valence band is completely filled. Those three. Semiconductor also valence band is completely filled. Forbidden gap is nearly equal to 1 eV. Already we know that semiconductor are material in which the forbidden band energy gap between filled valence band and empty band. So this is clear.